Refugee work is incredibly important because what it actually does is throw the spotlight on the amazing diversity of people that have come to Australia over recent years and highlight what incredible strengths and talents they bring. It also gives the opportunity for the community that they've joined to celebrate with them about their fantastic journeys and how pleased we are to have them in Australia.
Welcome to the Sounds of Harmony concert by AIMS Australia. Today's concert is called The Sounds of Harmony, and I think that's a great way of looking at a kick-off for Refugee Week.
I think it's really important for people to see people from around the world that are right here in our own city that are just like they are. I mean, one of the things that we do with Voices Without Borders is we sing in lots of different languages, and it's a way of just bringing us all together.
I think there's a lot of prejudice in Australia still surrounding refugees and asylum seekers coming to our country, and I think that it's an important way to raise awareness, to let everybody know, you know, these people are just like us.
22 years ago, I started singing in my country, Iran.
So music has been particular for me, it's been my tool that I use during my time when I was a refugee, wherever I was, and it helped me in a long time.
Victoria is a great leader in what it means to be a multicultural community, and this is a demonstration of it, that we embrace it, that we enjoy it, that we respect the diversity.
There are so many people that have come from places where they don't feel free to express themselves artistically. In fact, in some places they can't even make music. They can't sing traditional songs.
Yeah, very exciting for us.
Nathakua.
Yes,
He's very happy.
Wonderful, very nice, singing Persian.
It made me feel happy, yeah. It made me feel really happy and connected.
It was great, it was beautiful, it was wonderful to hear the music from all of these different groups of people. It was really diverse and there was lots of great energy.
Today is important for AIMS because it's about recognition, it's about being positive about the contribution of refugees to our community.
I think it's really important to recognise the way that the fabric of our country has been improved and has been moulded by refugees.
The passion and the emotion that they convey is incredibly moving, you know, that people have persevered so long and so hard to get to be here.
And we are stronger and richer and more diverse and more wonderful because of it.